Hello guys, my name is Pav Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you the one Web 2.0 submission website. So the website name is Google Sites. This is a very high authoritative sites where we have to publish our Web 2.0 and the article content and the very trustworthy and the high traffic potential and the high authoritative. Okay, so now I can show you the website overall traffic and the authority. So you have to see this guys. This website having domain rating is 93, and the traffic, and you have to see this the website having 1.5 billion backlinks. Okay, so this website having 200.3 millions visitors. Okay, we have this data and the mostly traffic from USA and the Brazil and Japan and Thailand and Malaysia. So if you guys are want to attract the audience from that kind of countries, so make sure you have to publish your article to targeted this kind of users. Okay, so now we can let's start how we can going to publish our web 2.0. So we can choose a blank option. So there is no any requirement to you have to sign up and the other things. So okay, so now we can here it is we have to put it our brand name. So our brand name is Kara's security group. Okay, and here we have to also choose they can automatically detect our brand name, and here we have to upload our logo and the fav icon. This is a very a very a good thing to we have to update our profile and alt text. We can add our alt text security. Okay, now we have to upload a fav icon. So our branding image is completed now. Now we can explore for the viewer tool, anchor links we are allowed, info icon we are allowed, custom domain, start setup or custom domain. No, we cannot going to set up our custom domain. Enable analytic. They can ask you for the analytic for the tracking purpose. If you guys have, then you can provide your measurement ID. If you guys can want to create your analytics, so you guys are also able to create your analytic. Okay, so banner. Okay, message link where we have to add our website link, button label. We have to added our buttons. Okay, open in a new tab. So our setting is completed now. Okay, so here it is what we can do. We can add a banner first thing. So actually guys, I have already generated a banner. Okay, and the content is also, so this is my content where I have prepared already. Okay, so this is a unique content. Okay, so make sure you guys before the publishing you have to arrange your content and a banner, a very good quality of the banner, so that should be you have to you guys are able to attract your audience. You guys can provide a very good information for your audience, so that's then these things you have to do. Then after that you guys are able to drive massive of the traffic on your websites. Okay, so now we can start. Here we have to add our banner. So this is our banner. uh, Probably, sorry, we can remove these things. Okay, a banner type, cover. Okay, yeah. So you have to, if you guys have a large full width of the image, so you have to change your header type. Okay, so now we can gonna to update our banner. So that should be a full width. Okay, so this is 100% full width. Okay, so here we have to remove our title. Yeah, our title is removed now. Now then we have to add our text, and then we can make it a title. Okay, this is a h1. If you guys want to modify something, there is also option you have to modify. I can change it in a text. Font size, this is a font size, and then you guys are able to change your icon fonts. Okay, so now our title is, we have put it our title, and here we, you guys have to control your websites development. Okay, so there is a button option, divider, spacer, social links, YouTube, calendar, docs, slide sheets, buttons, and the image collage, which kind of things you want, then you guys are able to add for the from the right section. Okay, so here we have to add our content. We can go to add our content. So this is my content. Now we can post it. So now I can make it on a h2 tag. Yeah, first we have to while the content modification, content publishing, you guys have to very aware about your headings and the anchor tags, keywords. These things can make your blog attractive and the authoritative. Okay, okay, so we have successfully modified, updated our headings. Then now we can move forward for the internal linking. Okay, anchor texting, not in internal linking. Okay, Kara security. So that would be taking some time. For that, I'm very carefully reading this article to where I have to get a backlink. Security services, security. I have already prepared my keyword. Security guard services, security curriculum. Okay, so this is our location, so I can find. There is any indication to we can add concourse security landscape, concourse security guards, security landscape in curriculum. I hope so. We have a location for these things. Richmond curriculum. Yeah, we have location. So now I can go on to add anchor text for this. Concourse security guards. This is also a keyword, so we can concourse officer, so we can get a link for our website service pages. Okay, concourse capitum security needs. Okay, and now we can move forward for the security. Conquer security guards, security services, security guards, Conquer security guards. I can um, and I can going to tell you guys why I have removed the anchor text, anchor links, anchor text from this keyword to this keywords. Why I have shifted this anchor text? Okay, so this is a very deep things. So you have to make a huge gap for the your one internal linking and the second internal linking between. You have to guys make some distance. Okay, so that is a great things for the your post authoritative. Okay, authoritativeness. Okay, so security and hospital security cards, Kara securities, security solutions, security. Kara's security guard, security company in Canada, security company in Canada. This is my highly targeted keyword, so that's why I have made some changes in our content. Then I can get a link for my index page for this keyword. Okay, security company in Canada. So yeah, here it is. We have added a three internal linking, three anchor text. Okay, so our blog is ready now. So once you guys can modify and optimize your blogs according to the uh, your niche and your activity. I don't have actually word for these things, but once you guys can optimize your blogs, then you guys can hit the publish button, and then you can and then once you publish your article, okay, blogs, so then after that you guys have to bookmark your blogs, so then that would be going to index easily and the faster. Okay, so if you guys are watching till and I can okay, I can publish this. Okay, publish to the web sites googleview.com, custom domain, web address. Security group. The name contains forbidden reserved words. Okay, security group, then you have to slash, and after that what we can do, what we can add, we can add our title. premium protections, concourse guards for the premium. Guards for premium protection, guards for capital protection. Security guards for guards for Cockleton. Okay, so once you guys can going to hit your publish button, then you guys have to choose your um, targeted keywords. Okay, targeted keywords are your brand name, okay, under your titles name. So that would be going to that. So after that, you guys are able to publish your article. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys, and please, it's my request to you have to subscribe this channel. Okay, and I can going to show you that this is a instant approval. Sorry. Got it. Return to editor, review changes and publish. There are no unpublished changes review. Okay, I can going to show you publish hitting view publish this site. So where you guys are able to find your backlink, your landing page. So you have to click drop down option, then you guys can click for the third option, view published site. Okay, so here it is, guys. So you guys are able to see this is our web 2.0 content. Okay, so I can going to show you that this is a do follow or the no follow backlink. So you have to see this, guys. This is a 100% do follow backlink with the anchor text from the Google site. So if you guys can create your web 2.0 from google site.com, so you guys can drive a massive of the authority of your website and the traffic potential also. Okay, guys, so I hope so your doubts and the everything it will be going to clear now. So and I can also provide this site a URL on a description section. So okay, guys, so if you guys are watching till end, so very thanks for my side. And if you guys have anything concern, any doubts for you, any suggestion for me, so you can share your thoughts on a comment section. If you guys can want to connect with me on a social media, so I can also provide my social channels on a description section, so you guys can go over there and you have to able to find me. Okay, so once again, thanks for the watching, guys, and for my little request for you, please subscribe my channel because I wanted to grow my channels, and I really wanted to give you guys a very important information and a very actually I don't have word for that things. I wanted to say you guys, I wanted to be true with you guys. Okay, I hope you guys can understand. Okay, so because why I'm something is keeping on my mind, because this video I'm recording at morning 4:30, so that's why I was something this is going to happen with me. Okay, so again, guys, bye bye, take care, guys.